The Solo Step overhead track and harness system is a simple and effective tool to prevent falls and increase confidence during rehab. Solo Step can be used with various equipment, including balance boards, parallel bars, virtual reality machines, shuttle boards, and more. Whether your physical facility installs 10 feet of track or 50 feet of track, the Solo Step system will operate the same. After installing your Solo Step track system, the therapist will be responsible for utilizing the system. The two main accessories for the Solo Step system are the harness and the lanyard. Once your Solo Step track is installed, you can connect your adjustable lanyard to the trolley. Our team will send you the correct lanyard length for your ceiling's height. There are two carabiners on each end of the lanyard, one to connect to the trolley and one to the harness. The top of the lanyard has a safety lock to prevent the carabiner from accidentally opening. Depending on your lanyard, you may open the carabiner by unscrewing or twisting the carabiner to open. You can attach or detach the lanyard to the smooth gliding trolley. A ladder may be necessary. The lanyard's height can be easily adjusted up or down with one hand according to your patient's needs. Simply push the carabiner open to attach or detach the harness from the lanyard. Pull upwards on the lanyard rope to easily raise its height. To apply the Solo Step harness on your patient in a standing position, place the harness over the patient's shoulders. Buckle the chest and waist straps. The harness can be easily tightened or loosened to the patient's comfort. Secure the leg straps by buckling the harness around each leg. Tighten the harness by pulling down on the blue webbing. Repeat the same process on the other side. Your patient is now ready for safe and effective balance training. To apply the Solo Step harness on your patient in a seated position, position the harness over a chair so it will be under the patient as they sit onto the chair. Place the harness straps over the patient's shoulders. Buckle the chest and waist straps. Tighten the harness so your patient is comfortable and secure. Pull the leg straps between the patient's legs. Buckle the leg straps to the side of the harness and tighten the straps as needed. Repeat the same process on the other side. Ask the patient to stand and pull upwards on the lanyard to lock the lanyard into its appropriate position. Use an additional therapist if needed. Remember that the Solo Step is used to prevent patient falls during therapy. It is not to be used as a patient transfer device or lifting device. If you have any questions about the Solo Step overhead track system, please reach out to your sales representative or contact us at one of the following links.